Hey friends, in this video I'm going to be talking talking to foreign nationals, foreigners, especially those who are living in the Philippines. The Philippine Retirement Authority, which is a government agency, released an advisory for foreigners. It's a reminder, it's a clarification, but it also comes with a warning. And it's mainly for SRV holders, retirement visa holders, but I think it applies to everyone. What is this advisory, Jennifer? Let's read it. The Philippine Retirement Authority, PRA, reminds all SRV holders that the benefits and privileges under Republic Act 994 or the Expanded Senior Citizens Act of 2010, such as the 20% discount and VAT exemption, are strictly for Filipino citizens aged 60 and above. Foreign nationals, including SRV holders, are not entitled to these benefits. What benefits? Well, it's the 20% discount on medicines, on doctor appointments, on restaurants and fast food, on hotels and resorts, on domestic flights, on funeral. I mean, it's a great program. 20% discount. Sweet. To get or to avail this discount, you need to show a senior citizen's ID card. Who gets that senior citizen ID card? Either you're a Filipino citizen or a dual Filipino citizen who is at least 60 years old or above. Foreigners are not legally allowed to hold a senior citizen card. I know that some foreign nationals hold these seniors ID card even if they're not supposed to, and they're availing those discounts even if they're not covered by the law. The Philippine government says foreign nationals, including SRV holders, are not entitled to these benefits. Any attempt to claim these benefits through misrepresentation or falsification may lead to criminal prosecution, cancellation of immigration privileges, and deportation under Philippine laws. That's very harsh and very strict. Yeah, this is serious enough that the PRA had to make an advisory. It suggests that there's a growing number of inquiries, there's widespread misinformation, and probably likelihood of actual incidents of ineligible foreigners who were found availing of these services and faced actual consequences. The problem is, well, first there's corruption. You have a special connection with the person who issues the senior's ID and then they just give it to the foreigner. Sometimes it's the agents, the visa agents, they make false promises to their clients. Oh, you apply for this visa and you get a discount. Also, some government agencies are unaware of the law, of the rules. Some staff of the agency that issues the IDs, they give it to foreigners. And foreigners, of course, will just accept it without even knowing that they're not eligible for it. Some of them are just innocent. You get it, you're offered a discount. I'm like, okay, you accept it. So perhaps government, instead of telling foreigners, hey, don't avail that discount, maybe you guys can talk to each other from one agency to another. Hey, stop issuing seniors ID to foreigners because they're not eligible for that. I also heard some stories of foreigners paying fixers to get driver's license in the Philippines. Each to their own, but be very careful, guys. At least you're now aware if you don't know. Now, a common misconception regarding foreign residents. Number one, those who are holding 13A, SRV, and other permanent visas, they're not automatically qualified for the senior citizen card. Long-term stay, or those who are holding or owning properties in the Philippines, they have condos, apartments. Yeah, owning a property or business or being here for a long time. I've been here for 10 years. Jennifer, come on, give me the discount. No, sorry. Lastly, for example, foreigners who are married to Filipinas. Even if your spouse is eligible for the seniors discount, it doesn't cover you. Being married to a Filipina does not give you the privilege to the seniors ID card. But hey, there are still some benefits for you guys under voluntary discounts. So for example, some local governments, some businesses give discounts, free access, or priority lanes to seniors regardless of citizenship. So if they offer that, you can avail it. No worries there. There's also those who are holding SRV. SRV holders or retirement visa holders in the Philippines can get some discounts from PRA merchant partners. It ranges from service providers, healthcare, financial and legal, lifestyle. My favorite ones are, of course, very applicable healthcare. A lot of discounts on medical tests. So these businesses, guys, are spread out in the country. So, but they're mainly in the main cities. So Manila, Cebu, Clark. Yeah. Okay, so for example, this one, Green City Medical Center. This is in Pampanga. You get 10% hospital discount or 15% for non-senior. Nice. Another one, say this one, De Los Santos Medical Center. This is in Manila. 5% discounts on lab procedures and some tests. Okay. My personal favorite is on lifestyle. There's this one, Buy Hotel, my favorite hotel in the Philippines. Best customer service. There you go. 20% discount on rooms, food, and beverages. Nice. There are other hotels there too. And there's someone about car. I like car. So Nobley's Leasing. This one, you get 15% discount on repairs and maintenance services. Or 3% discount on brand new vehicles. Nice. So these are just a few of the businesses. If you're an SRV holder, it's worth exploring. I'll put the link in the description box. What do you think and what is your experience? And if you know of shops that give discounts to seniors regardless of citizenship, comment them down below. Care to share? This is all the update, guys. Thank you for watching and be safe.